Charisma personality. It is a unique feature that some people have. It enables them to attract others and arouse their admiration. Here are some secrets that may help you to improve your personality and increase your charisma. Self-confidence. Self-confidence is one of the most important elements of charisma. If you show confidence in yourself and your abilities, you will have a positive impact on others, caring for others. The ability to truly care about others, it can make you an attractive personality, be interested and listen attentively what people say and how they feel. Positivity, positive outlook towards life, and the ability to transfer this positivity to others, it can increase your attractiveness and charisma. Speak with confidence the way you talk and face people. It can make you an influential person, be confident, and use your voice and body language in a way that continues with others, passion and ambition. Charismatic personalities often excited for what they do, and they have great ambition. Be excited, move towards achieving your goals vigorously. Strong personality, a strong and confident personality can contribute in adding charisma to an individual's personality. Be clear about your ideas and values, and be strong personality without bullying others. Be authentic. Be honest in your interactions with others. Being an authentic personality will enable you to build relationships more honest and trustworthy. Using body language plays a big role in attracting others. Be precise in sending positive and helpful physical signals. The ability to tell stories. I tell exciting, goal-oriented stories. Stories have great attractive power. It helps in generating harmony and communicate with others, critical thinking ability to think critically and logically, and provide distributed opinions. It can increase the positivity of your influence ability to have humor, the ability to smile and think in a funny and positive way. It will increase your attractiveness. You will attract others, respect and humility, respect for others. And humility, it can make you a likable and attractive personality. Rely on these points and apply it in your daily life. It may help you improve your personality and increase your charisma.